No, they just wanted to know only, not much important.
So let us, sir, by your kind permission, can we start, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Partha Roy, coordinator of this FDP, and I welcome all the dignitaries and all the participants. Thank you so much for coming. I request Shweta Kharia ma'am to please start the proceedings. Shweta Kharia ma'am, please start the proceedings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Namaskar and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sharing with you all these beautiful words. Where there is hope, there is faith. Where there is faith, miracle happens. Let's begin this beautiful morning with lots of hope, faith, and miracle to happen to upcoming days. With these words, on behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I, Shweta Kharia, Associate Professor, extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, faculty members, staff members, and all delegates to Bhilai Institute of Technology, First Autonomous Technical Institute of Chhattisgarh, which is affiliated to CSVTU Bhilai, and to the inaugural ceremony of AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on next generation databases in virtual mode, which is organized by Department of CSE from 1st June to 5th June 2021. Faculty Development Program are an educational rendezvous emphasizing on intelligent learning and exchange of information among its participants. Sharing about the host department, Department of Computer Science and Engineering in BIT Durg was established in 1998. Presently, the department conducts BE, MTech and PhD courses. BTech CSE program of department is accredited by National Board of Accreditation and institute has NAC A certification too. The main objective of Atal Academies is to plan and help in imparting quality education in India and to support technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, and internship through training in various emerging areas. The first AICTE Training and Learning Academy and camp office of AICTE is established in Jaipur on September 2018. Additional 11 more Atal Academies were established throughout India. Third area of Atal Academy are artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, robotics, quantum computing, data sciences, cybersecurity, augmented reality, and many more in the area of art and crafts, life skill management, design, and media. In year 2019 and 2020, Atal Academies conducted a series of 185 training programs, and in year 2020-2021, 500 more FDPs will be conducted in various thirst areas like engineering, management, art and crafts. Even in this pandemic period, Atal Academies decided to conduct 83 online FDPs. We are highly privileged that AICTE Atal Academic chosen Department of CSE BIT Durg Chhattisgarh to conduct one such FDP on next generation databases. FDP, which is 5 days program organized with an objective of bringing together faculty members, researchers, developers, practitioners from academia and industry working in all areas of science and technology. We hope that this FDP will lead to more technical studies and contribute to further methodological developments with innovative ideas in science and technology in the field of next generation databases concept. Future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So, believing in our dreams come true, we pray Almighty God to give us all the success and light up the lamp of our dreams and inspiration and moves us from darkness to lightness of success and positive attitude. I request our esteemed HOD Madam Dr. M.V. Padmavati, and to kindly inaugurate this FDP on next generation databases with lighting the lamp before Goddess Saraswati. Madam, please. Thank you, madam. Now it's my honor to have with us our chief guest, an intellectual Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni sir, Director AICTE Training and Learning Academy. The multitude welcomes you, sir. Again, it's a matter of great honor to have with us a great persona, our guest of honor, Dr. Girdhari Lalji Garg, Assistant Director AICTE Training and Learning Academy. The multitude welcomes you, sir. I would like to take this opportunity to express our gratitude for honoring our invitation to be the chief guest of this function. I, on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering, BIT, welcomes you both. Talent and skills are the crops that are nurtured, groomed, and given all possible opportunities to grow and bloom. An individual with these qualities who always nurture their subordinates to flourish in all aspects is coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Partha Roy Sir, Associate Professor, Department of CSE. May I request Sir to address the gathering? Sir, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Shweta ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I, Dr. Partha Roy, Associate Professor on the behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, BIT Durg, welcome all the dignitaries and participants in this magnificent gathering. I welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni Sir, Director AICT Training and Learning, Atal Academy. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. I welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg Sir, Assistant Director, AICT Training and Learning, Atal Academy. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. I welcome our patrons, Dr. Arun Arora Sir, Director, BIT Durg, and Dr. Mohan Gupta Sir, Principal, BIT Durg, for joining this session. I welcome our advisor, Dr. M.V. Padmavati Ma'am, HOD of Computer Science and Engineering Department, BIT Durg. I welcome all faculty members of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I welcome all the participants for their enthusiasm and participation. With these words, I pray to God Almighty for the success of this online faculty development program, and hope this online program adds value to the knowledge base of everyone involved. So thank you so much. Welcome all and thank you so much for attending this session. Shweta ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Roy. Leaders instill in their pupil a hope of success and a belief in themselves. Positive leaders empower pupil to accomplish their goals. An individual who directs and monitors the academic and non-academic activities, who plans and implements the activities within an educational setup, besides providing guidance to teachers, students, and staff, is the head of department. She is an indomitable spirit to maintain the discipline. May I request Dr. M.V. Padmavati Madam, Head Department of CSE and Advisor of this FDP, to deliver her words. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shweta, for the nice introduction. A very good morning to all. Am I audible and visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. After the successful completion of 1 week AICT CSV2 MOU Teachers Training Program on machine learning using Python from 26 to 31st May, today we are again starting our second Atal FDP on next generation databases. These two are very fast growing technologies. We are talking about it has many applications. I, Dr. M.V. Padmavati, Dean R&D and HOD CSE BIT Durg, welcome our chief guest, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni sir, Director Atal Academy, our guest of honor, Dr. Giridhari Lal Garg sir, Assistant Director, AICTE, guest, our patrons, Dr. Arun Arora sir, Director BIT Durg, Dr. M.K. Gupta sir, Principal BIT Durg, Dr. Partho Roy, Coordinator FDP, and Mr. Sudeep Bhattacharya, he is working in the FDP as a co-coordinator, and all our faculty members of CSC Department BIT Durg, and all our esteemed participants. I welcome you all for this FDP. Since all the participants are from various regions of India, I wish to inform you all about our institute and somewhat about the department, one or two sentences. BIT Durg is the first private engineering college in the central India, and it is the first institute, private engineering college in the state to get the autonomy. And the institute is NAC accredited with A grade, and all 7 UG programs of the college of our institute are NBA accredited. Coming to the CSC department, it is the much sought after department by the where the students wants to study. We offer BTech CSC, MTech Data Science, and PhD in various topics of CS. Because we are teaching MTech Data Science, our teachers are, because they have the knowledge of the major disciplines, means upcoming disciplines of the computer science. Now we are offering PhD in various topics of computer science and engineering. The BTech CSC of the department is accredited thrice by NBA. We are also the zonal partner for Leading India.ai and mini MOOCs projects funded by Royal Academy of Engineering. We organized various FDPs. And coming to this FDP, from the last many years, because we are the FDP is on next generation databases. From the last many years, we are studying about storing the data in relational databases and retrieving the required data through SQL commands. But what is the limitation of the relational databases is data is stored in the form of tables. Only you can add the rows, and it needs a structured data. Now, because of the growing internet, social media sites, e-commerce sites, YouTube, we are getting multimedia in big data. Big data means in jotabytes, we are getting the data, and that too not text but multimedia data, means videos. So traditional RDBMS won't work efficiently. So for this we need no SQL, means no relational databases. Motivations for this approach includes the simplicity of design and horizontal scaling, means you can add more columns when and where required. So there are various ways to classify the NoSQL, means non-relational databases, with different categories and subcategories. So some of which are overlapping. So the basic classification is done by the data model. So in the first day of today, we discuss about the introduction about the NoSQL. And in the second day, they are classified into 4 ways. So in the second day, we will discuss about the first model, the document databases, and MongoDB is an example of document database. And in the third day, we discuss about the graph databases. The Neo4j is an software that uses graph databases. And key value databases on the 4th day will be discussed, that is Redis. And column oriented databases are discussed on the 5th day, the Cassandra and HBase. So this FDP will cover the introduction about these databases and writing the queries and use cases. So I request the participant to be regular and punctual to all the sessions and attend. And we are calling from the industry. because we are not getting the people from the academic institution for these next generation databases. So please attend the FDP. Some of the experts are from the academic background, and some are from the industry we are calling. So I request all the participants to be regular and attentive, and I hope this program will be useful for you all in the coming days, because there big data, in order to handle the big data you need this next generation databases. And thank you one and all. I thank our guests for accepting our invitation and coming for the FDP inaugural. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. A good leader creates a vision, articulate the vision, passionately own the vision, and relentlessly drive it to completion. A highly influential, visionary, and prompt personality who always mentor us with future vision. A perfect combo of discipline and punctuality. Dr. M.K. Gupta, sir, Principal BIT, Durg, under whom BIT is flourishing in n dimensions, and without his cooperation, this FDP could not be conducted smoothly. May I request Dr. M.K. Gupta, sir, to kindly address the gathering. Sir, please.
Thank you, madam. Respected Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni ji, Director of Atal AICT Training and Learning Academy, Atal Academy. Respected Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg ji, Assistant Director, Atal Academy. Our Director, Dr. Arun Arora sir, HOD Computer Science and coordinators of this program, and my dear participants. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this inaugural program of this 5-day course, FDP course under Atal Academy. The topic that our computer science department has taken is of utmost importance nowadays, next generation databases. We are very much thankful to Atal Academy for giving us this opportunity to conduct one such course in computer science department, sir. We have got 2 more courses approved for this session, one in civil engineering department and one in electronics department, which we will be conducting after this course. Sir, this course will definitely help our participants in upgrading their knowledge in this field. And what I always request our faculty members is to have a particular focus on research activities also, because all these topics are definitely emerging areas. These are the thrust areas. So until and unless they will involve themselves in research activities, then only they will be getting thorough knowledge about all these topics. So if they get indulged in research activities, that will definitely help our students also to pursue research in this area, and definitely that will be helpful for our institute, our region, and our country as a whole. And definitely if they are able to do some good work internationally also, their work will be recognized. We at our institute provide all the facilities to the participants, to the faculty members. Whatever they want to do, they can do. They have all the freedom to pursue the activities, research activities. Ultimately, our students will be benefited from these activities. So once again, I thank sir, the Atal Academy, for giving us this opportunity. We are also thankful to our director and our management for providing all the facilities to the various departments of the institute. Thank you.
We are gratified, sir. There is much to gain from your words of wisdom. True leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. An academic leader who guides and ignites us to the path not at all traversed. A perfect blend of excellent managerial skills and quick decision maker, Dr. Arun Arora Sir, Director BIT Dur, under whose guidance and leadership BIT augmented in every positive directions, and without his support, the FDP could not be possible. On behalf of Department of CSE, I welcome Sir, and we are always thankful for never-ending support. But due to some reason, Sir is unable to join us, but he conveyed his best wishes to us. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. An individual with dynamic personality and leadership quality is our guest of honor, Dr. Girdhari Lal Gargji, Assistant Director, AICTE, Training and Learning Academy. I kindly request Sir to address the gathering. Sir, please.
थैंक यू श्वेता मैम, थैंक यू। सबसे पहले तो मैं पाल सर आपको धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि आपने हमको इनवाइट किया। वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू। एंड डॉक्टर सोनी हमारे बीलव्ड एंड रेस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर है। उन्होंने अटल एकेडमी को एक नई हाइट दी है एक्चुअली, कि जो कॉन्शियसनेस सोच सकती है और विथ इंथुजियाज्म, नॉट जस्ट लाइक ए प्ले। ही ड्रीम and he execute, and he is a man of yes consciousness. What do you mean by yes consciousness? When you are saying yes, your consciousness have broadened. And he believe in yes consciousness, and every time say yes and things happen. Sometimes we think how it happened, but some unseen force work with us every time. Last year World Book of Record बनाया, हम लोगों को सोच नहीं सकते थे, बट ड्यू टू यस कॉन्शियसनेस। तो जस्ट आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल द फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, प्लीज से यस एवरी टाइम। व्हेन यू आर सेइंग यस, योर कॉन्शियसनेस हैव ब्रॉडन। व्हेन योर कॉन्शियस हैव ब्रॉडन, नेचर सपोर्ट यू, अनसीन फोर्स सपोर्ट यू। कल मैडम आईएम के डायरेक्टर थे सिरमौर से, उनका था कि ड्रीम बिग। सेम कलाम साहब जो बोलते थे कि यदि आप छोटे सपने देखते हो तो एक बहुत बड़ा क्राइम करते हो, और ये पक्का है। हम और सोनी सर साथ साथ बैठते हैं, जितने भी सपने देखे वो सारे पूरे हुए हैं। तो सपने देखने में कोई छोटा सपना नहीं देखा। मेरे फैकल्टी मेंबर से ये रिक्वेस्ट है, थिंक बिग, और डेफिनेटली इट विल एग्जीक्यूट। इफ यू विल थिंक बिग ना, इट विल एग्जीक्यूट, इट विल हैपन। ऐसी कोई दुनिया में ताकत नहीं कि आपके किसी सपने को रोक दे। कब कैसे पूरा होगा, इट्स यू हैव टू डू इट। एंड teaching profession is one of the best profession on that, best profession, but it also have a big responsibility. इसके साथ में इतनी responsibility है, as a teacher you have to be set an example. The children watch you carefully, what you are doing they imitate. जो आपका पहला मैक्सिमम जो टीचर से एक्सेप्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स ही करते हैं, पर पता हो क्या रहा है कि टीचर्स आर इन स्ट्रेस, दे आर नॉट फीलिंग प्राइड। डोंट टेक इट अदरवाइज, इट इज ए प्राइड प्रोफेशन। व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग प्राइड ना, एवरीबॉडी विल प्राइड। व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग लो, एवरीबॉडी फील लो। So please, I am requesting to all the faculty, feel pride. You are unique. You are number one. You are the luckiest person in the world. See, and you are the part of divine. You are communicating so much things to society. Please, and don't go in competition. Go in contribution. When you are going in competition, you are in stress. When you are going in contribution, you are really full of energy. Full of energy. When you are thinking about contribution, things will happen. People will support you. And put your 100%. What you are doing, put your 100%. When you are putting your 100%, you are in present moment. When you are in present moment, you are happy. When you are happy, you will communicate the happiness. Your aura will speak. Your energy will speak. And we have changed the scenario and we have changed the concept of success, I'm telling. But nowadays, can you tell me the sign of success? What the success? Just I am thinking. Only smile is the sign of success. Nobody is seeing your bank balance. Nobody is seeing your degree. Nobody is seeing your Bangalore. Everybody is seeing your attitude, your smile, and your positive attitude. Everybody. Hardly matter whether you are professor, whether you are a vice chancellor, whether you are director. Nobody is seeing all these things. Everybody is seeing your attitude, how you move with energy. Just I am requesting to you all, please, you should be full of energy. When you are full of energy, there is a lot of creativity. When you are lack of energy, a lot of doubt, irritations, and angerness will show. And it is my humble request to you all. Please do a lot of hard work. And I believe in meditation and yoga. It is the most powerful thing in life. When you have conflict in thoughts, do more yoga, more meditation, more creativity will be there. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful to all the faculty members, all the resource persons, and all the management. They have done a lot of wonderful BIT. They are showing a lot of things. And thank you very much, my beloved director and respected Sony sir. He's the man of enthusiasm. Thank you. Thank you, Parth sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. Obviously, sir, we will follow your suggestion in our life. Leadership is about vision and responsibility, not power. A great personage, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, sir, Director, AICTE Training and Learning Academy. It's a matter of great pride, sir, that you enhance the aura of this program by giving your presence. I wholeheartedly invite sir to deliver his words of wisdom. Sir, please.
Thank you, Ms. Shweta. Highly thankful to the coordinator, Dr. Patharai, contacted me, and I thought to be with you. Here, present dignitaries, Dr. Mohan Kumar Gupta ji, who is happened to the principal of the BIT, Bhilai Institute of Technology, Durg. The CSE, the HOD, Dr. Padmavati ma'am, I just heard in her address. I also heard the coordinator, Dr. Patharai ji. The person who is not present over here, the director, Dr. Arun Kumar Arora ji, I just want to address him too. The faculty of the department and the faculty of the entire institute, the BIT, the entire team of the organizing team of this Atal FDP, and dear participants. First of all, very good morning to you all. I'd like to congratulate to Dr. Patharai and the coordinator, the department, and the institute, that they could back this particular FDP. And not only this FDP, they could get it, rather 3 FDP, 3 Atal FDP as mentioned. 3 FDP, they could get it. Getting FDP, Atal FDP is little difficult, in fact, because the lot of topmost institutions of the country are conducting these FDP. And these FDPs are in emerging areas. These FDPs are being conducted by IIM, IIT, IIIT, NIT, some other institutions also. And in those institutions, the BIT is one of the institutions among them. So that's why I would like to congratulate from my core of heart. And I just came to know that many of the programs, many of the departments are accredited by NBA. And that is the reason you got this FDP. Accreditation from NBA is not at all easy. Many of the institutions are just dreaming. They're thinking either they're not eligible or they cannot do that. They're not going for the NBA. They're not even thinking for. We know, we are from AICTE, we know how many institutions are accredited. They can think, they can dream, and they can finally go for 1 department, 2 departments, and your 7 departments are accredited. I came to know this this particular BIT is established in 1986. And now it's a legacy of more than 35 years. And as someone mentioned here, previously, this was the first engineering college in the Central India. Maybe surprising to you, I belong to Central India and I know BIT well. So I'm very closely associated with that area. Whatever institutions are there in that area, I know personally. You might not be knowing me, but I know all these institutions here. So that's why my congratulations from on behalf of Atal Academy and AICTE. I heard Dr. Garg. I just wanted to mention that Dr. Garg is a art of living teacher, and therefore whatever he speaks from his heart. So Dr. Garg presence makes the wonderful in any of the program. So therefore, in fact, I should not thank who is my colleague. We work together here, and we are working for this improvement of Atal Academy programs. As far as this FDP is concerned, the next generation databases is the one of the most important FDP, in fact. And this FDP, not only this FDP, I think many more FDP should be conducted in those areas, whether it's a big data, data analytic, or any kind of things, because you are from computer sciences, and you know that how much this particular area is important, not only for the academic, it's for the business, for the mankind. The data plays role everywhere. We are also struggling in AICTE for many things, for various fronts. Not only analysis of the data, rather managing the data also. So therefore, this particular FDP, next generation databases, this FDP is going to be very beneficial to all the participants. And therefore, already requested by my earlier speakers, not only they will be benefited, rather after 5 days of FDP, their thought process will change, and the the learning will continue later on. So it's going to be a long way. Since I'm here, I just wanted to share a little bit about the journey of Atal Academy. It's a very young child. It's just a 3-year and around 2 months child. The Atal Academy operation started in 1819, and that too the back end of 1819, that is in February and March. So that's why I mentioned around 3 years and 3 months, something like that. So we operated in February and March in 1819, and we all know that FDP in India had to be only face-to-face FDP. Perhaps nobody thought that FDP can be live online. It is only the pandemic. The pandemic forced us to go online, and because of the pandemic only, we feel comfortable, in fact. Perhaps without pandemic, we could have never thought of to go everything online. I was mentioning 1819, we just sponsored around five program, and they were conducted in February, March. The genesis of those programs were one study which we conducted. One study we conducted that what are the emerging technologies in the country which is vital, which is important for growth of the nation. And outcome of the study was there are some 9 emerging technologies. One of the technology on which you are conducting this FDP, the AI, cybersecurity, data sciences, the robotics, AR, VR, quantum computing, 3D printing. So these 9 areas were identified. It was also mentioned there are some more areas also which can be looked into, but these are the 9 areas which are vital as of now. So we started approving rather courses, programs on those areas. We took a decision in AICTE that in future, no program will be approved in conventional area. The new program will be approved only in emerging area. And if someone is requesting to increase the number, that increased number has to be in the emerging area. So that 2 decisions we took. No engineering college in conventional area, No new program in conventional area, only in the emerging area, including, I'm again mentioning this, the FDP which is being conducted in this particular topic title, next generation databases. This is one of the emerging area. And therefore the issue was, when we approve these many numbers, these many programs in the country, who are going to teach? Whether IIT faculty are going to teach all those programs in those institutions? No, not at all. They may come for a particular period, for a particular day, or few topics, for not all the time. So AICT decided, let us fund training on these emerging area. So funding is one part. Funding is easy. But who are the experts? Who are the trainers? Those who are going to train us, train to train program, something like that. Those who can train faculty on those emerging area. So now we started identifying where are the expertise available in the country. Expertise available in the country in very premier institutions. The BIT is one of the premier institutions, we feel like. Premier institutions like IIT, NIT, IIIT, IIM, and some other training organizations like DRDO, in fact, they impart training. Then ISRO, some other CDAC, NTPI, and some other organization. Even BSNL also gives some training in some areas, communication, 5G, all these something. So there are some training institutions, I call, or educational institutions, or institutions those who are conducting their own function, but they are capable of training. And then industries are having experience of training, or because of their nature of work, they can impart training of that area. So we started roping off all those expertise, and with the help of their expertise, now the faculty of these institutions are being trained. So we started scaling the activity. In 1920, we funded around 200 FDP, and that was face-to-face. And then 2021, because of this pandemic, we again started experimenting the online FDP. Initially, there was huge response from participant side and huge response from trainer side. Institutions, those who are going to give training for that, those who are going to conduct the FDP, I should say. So both trainee and trainers, there was huge response. We were only bridging the gap. Since there was huge response, we had no way. We had to expand. We had to scale the activity. Initially, we thought of to conduct 84 program, 84 FDP, online FDP in April, May, and June. We conducted that one. And then because of this huge response, we planned around 500 FDP in 1920.
I think some urgent call is there.
There is something. Sure.
Yeah.
Let us wait, sir. Partharai sir, let us wait.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
He will join.
I'm extremely sorry. The connection was lost. I think the power is cut in Delhi, and that is the limitation of technology, in fact. So technology had its own limitation, in fact. And with that limitation, I was just mentioning when I lost the connectivity. Around out of 1,000 FDP, 948 FDP could be conducted because this was the pandemic year. Many of the coordinator were infected at that time. they denied to conduct the FDP, and 948 FDP could be conducted. Out of these 948 FDP, more than 1.5 lakh certificates were issued. So I can say more than 1.5 lakh faculty students, because PG students, research scholars were also allowed to join that. And because of this particular scale, it was listed in the World Book of Record, London. They recognized this particular activity, the year 2021 Atal FDP as a world record. This became a world record because of the institutions and the coordinated dedication, in fact. And therefore, I like to thanks from my core of heart to all the coordinators. And again, with the same dedications, many more coordinators came forward. They joined hand with us. And this year, we are planning around to conduct 1,300 to 1,500 online FDP. This year, we wanted to conduct 500 online FDP and 500 offline. But again, this pandemic, the second wave, we call it second wave, started, and then we thought of the face-to-face FDP may not be possible. And therefore, we converted this offline FDP into online FDP. Because of this conversion from offline to online, we are able to conduct with the same funds. We are able to conduct around 1,500 online FDP. This year, we are targeting around 2 lakhs participants to be participated in this particular activity. It's a massive exercise going on. This massive exercise is going on with the help of AICT officials, with the help of all regional offices situated in 8 cities of the country, across the country. And most important, the institutions, those who are sparing their resources, their human resources, the laboratories, all kind of expertise they are sparing for training to the participants, to the faculty students. This year, even industry people are also attending that. We have allowed to the government officials, we have allowed to the industry participants also. Particularly, this FDP, if some industry personnel attend it, they will be benefited, because for all kind of industry, they require to manage their data. They require to analyze their data to enhance their business, their profit. Even education institute require that data for so many reasons, for various reasons. So therefore, this particular topic, this particular title, Next Generation Databases, is in my core of heart, in fact. And therefore, in fact, I could have attended some of the sessions of this FDP, because of a lot of activities are going on in the AICT, even though I wish I may not attend it. As you mentioned, Dr. Padmavati Madam mentioned, there are many experts from industry. We always advocate, please rope many of the experts from industry, as many as possible, because they are experienced people. Ultimately, these technologies are first industry is using, and then other people are using. Then we are training. So in fact, the first research, I should say, in these technologies are being done at private sector only, and then coming to the institutional, academic institution, and the government sector, and then we adopt it. And therefore, industry experts must be invited. Experts from across the globe also may be invited. Last year, experts from 25 countries gave their services in these FDP. This year also, so many experts from the abroad, they are ready to render their services. They are ready to give their services without honorarium. And some of the experts are donating their honorarium to some charitable trust also. And that too because the honorarium which we are paying, if we convert it into dollar, it is very less. And those who are in abroad, it is a very less amount. And out of that, they have to give some tax also. So if tax is deducted, that honorarium is very less for them. But they were from India, they are NRIs, Their heart is living in India, still in India. They want to connect with India. So whatever they are, ultimately, they are because of the India, because of this country, and therefore they want to give back to the country. So if you approach any of the speaker from abroad, you can easily get nowadays, especially when pandemic is going on. They are also confined in their residence, and they can give your services. So if you want, you can do that. Some of the things, functional things I'd like to mention over here. I'll not take much time. It's already 11:18. So I'll just, in a minute or two, participants are here. I know that you will be very sincere in learning it. There are some eligibility criteria for this AppDP. The 4 days at least you have to attend for the certificate, and you have to score more than 60% of marks in final assessment, which will be conducted by the coordinator, Dr. Partha Roy, at last day. The coordinator has to feed the attendance in the portal, has to feed marks in the portal last day, not first day, second day, third day, fourth day. This formality has to complete in the last day. And thereafter, the feedback has to be fed by the participants. The participants log in. They have to log in through their login ID, and then they have to give the feedback. After giving the feedback, they'll be able to download the certificate. We have to authorize the certificate after you give the feedback. It takes 2 working days. So wait for a few working days, 2-3 working days, and then automatically the certificate will be emailed from system to your email. One. Secondly, you can download the certificate from your portal also. So both the way you'll be able to download the certificate. These certificates are verifiable. One link is there in our website, our web page, and if you put that number, certificate ID, anyone can verify whether the certificate is right or not, just to avoid duplicacy, and some other person may get printed it without to put that verifiable module. So the verification can be done through our web page. With this, I'd like to end, and I'm highly thankful for inviting me. I feel connected to home, in fact. Congratulations, in fact, to everyone, those who are involved, those who are even participating also, because seats are limited. This is a huge country, and not only 200 people wants to learn this next generation databases. Crores of people wants to learn, but only you can admit 200 people. So those who have got, those who are here, I'd like to congratulate to them. And after completion of this AppDP, again, my advance congratulations to you. So thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir,
you, sir.
for giving
Thank
us
you, sir.
opportunity to conduct this FTP. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure, ma'am. And thanks a lot for all efforts being made, in fact.
Thank you very much, sir. Your thought-provoking address set a perfect platform for all of us. No one can whistle a symphony. It takes a whole orchestra to play it. Once again, I welcome our chief guest to this program. And last but not the least, I welcome all the speakers and participants to 5 days FDP on next generation databases. Hope we all will have a knowledgeable time ahead. For vote of thanks, I would like to call Dr. Partha Roy, sir, coordinator of this FDP. Over to you, Dr. Roy. Thanks, one and all.
Thanks. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. I, Dr. Partha Roy, thank all the invitees present in this magnificent gathering. I thank our chief guest, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, sir, Director AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy, for approving our FDP and sparing his precious time with us. I thank guest of honor, Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, sir, Assistant Director AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy, for sparing his precious time with us and guiding us so deeply for leading a very fruitful life. Thank you, sir, for guiding us. We will definitely remember your words. I thank our patrons, Dr. Aruna Arora, sir, Director BIT Durg, Dr. Mohan Gupta, sir, Principal BIT Durg, for their unending support. I thank our advisor, Dr. MV Padmavati, ma'am, Head of the Department, Computer Science Engineering, BIT Durg, for supporting us, guiding us with her knowledge and experience. I thank all the faculty members of the Department of Computer Science Engineering for taking various responsibilities so that this faculty development program becomes a grand success. I thank all the participants for their enthusiasm and participation and hope a very fruitful and knowledge gaining experience for them. With these words, I pray to God Almighty for the success of this online faculty development program and hope this online faculty development program adds value to the knowledge base of everyone involved. Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Partha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Somebody
sir.
was asking, कि this certificate is used in cash? Yes, it is used in cash now.
Thank you, sir.
So
Yeah,
we will be
it can be used and it has to be used.
sir, with your kind permission, can we conclude?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to all.
So we conclude this session here. We will meet at 12:10 p.m. for session 1. The topic will be Introduction to NoSQL Databases. Speaker will be Dr. Naresh Kumar Nagwani, Associate Professor, NIT Raipur. So thank you all for attending the inaugural.
Okay. Thank you, one and all.
We can leave the meeting.